Pasalamatan natin ang ating Panginoon at ang ating mga mahal sa buhay.
We wish you all the joy, love, and hope ngayong Kapaskuhan.
To my family, friends, and relatives, I wish you all good health, happiness, and thank you for your love and support.
Ngayong Kapaskuhan, magpasalamat tayo sa ating Panginoon at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay.
I just want to say to my family here in Canada and in the Philippines to keep going, never give up, and pursuing all your dreams.
I would like to greet all my friends and families back home in the Philippines, especially every single Kapampangan from the Philippines, everywhere around the world. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
My message to my family, relatives, and friends in the Philippines is to always keep your faith no matter how hard life can be.
May this New Year bring joy and blessing to all our families.
May this New Year bring joy and fortune to all our families.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year mga kapuso! Ganito ang Paskong Pinoy.
Puno ng pasasalamat.
Mga kapuso, we wish you joy, love, and hope this Christmas. So once again mga kapuso, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And a Happy New Year!
I wish for everyone this 2025 to have a prosperous life. For my family, friends, and relatives, I love you all and thank you for supporting each one of us.
Let's be grateful this Christmas. I wish everyone more good health, more abundance, and more happiness.
Ngayong Kapaskuhan, tayo po'y magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay.
Here to wish my fellow kababayans a healthy and prosperous New Year ahead. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat at manigong bagong taon.
Ganito ang Paskong Pinoy, puno ng pasasalamat. GMA Pinoy TV, the home of Global Pinoy.